Welcome everyone. TheDailyWoo here as the recording of this Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. I am in Quito, Ecuador. Myself and my group are going to be going over to Mindo, M-I-N-D-O, doing some things over there on the outskirts of this town to just see where the day leads. Quite a full agenda. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? Some sort of piece of artwork here in the park near our hotel. It's like a centipede maybe, or some sort of insect. Well, maybe not, because it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of legs, only 10 legs. Maybe not a centipede, but some sort of insect here. This is La Carolina Park. Pronounced a little differently than I would say Carolina, but spelled the same. Learned that yesterday from people I was with. The group today, as it was yesterday, and will be for the next series of days, next few days, and then going to a different area of Ecuador. Might change a little bit, but as of now, it's myself, my aunt, my uncle, my mom, and my aunt and uncle's 2 friends from church that they have. So it's our group, and we are with a driver and a guide who are also going to be taking us over to Mindo today as well. There's some officers on horses over there. Yeah, take a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 horses, and the officers are on horseback. A little police substation here in this park, actually. I showed the other side of this yesterday as I was strolling through, but here's the back side, if you will. There's a little artistic rendering of one of the officers, a big thumbs up right there. Not just horseback, but also motorcycle. Official motorcycles. Been driving a bit. Oh, look at this car. Needed to get some fuel in the vehicle that's getting us to our next spot. So they stopped off here. Get a little gas. Price of gas here. Say diesel. What does that say? Diesel $1.79. Extra $2.71. And super premium $3.64. Wow, that's a big difference between super premium and extra. Diesel's only $1. Diesel must be the fuel of choice around here. And right here at the fuel stop is looks like there's a coffee shop called Chemo's. Get a cup of Joe, Ecuadorian brew, cafe con leche, coffee with cream.
So does it has the sweetener and everything?
I put a little sugar, extra sugar in it.
Does the cream come with it?
They make it with the cream on top, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
All right, that was took a lot longer to get over here than I was expecting. For some reason, I was thinking it was going to be like maybe an hour, hour and a half. It's probably about 2.5 hours. We were cruising over here, but we have arrived in the town of Mindo, M-I-N-D-O, right here amongst the hillsides and the mountains. Clouds up there. Gonna do a variety of things here in this town. Really cool looking town. Hopefully get to go walk around. We're gonna start off with some, I think we're gonna start off with some butterflies and some hummingbirds. And I'm really hoping to maybe see some toucans. I saw some signs for toucans. I think I might see some toucans finally. I didn't get to see any bullies, but I might see some here. All right. Going in. Oh, wow. Okay. Look at these plants. Oh my gosh, they're so colorful. How beautiful those are. Little tropical paradise in there. Oh, is this be the larvas? Those are the larvas, yeah. What's the chanting?
Election stuff. Christmas.
Slugs? Or the chrysalis?
Step 2 larva in the pupa.
Remember the butterfly house there at Brook Green Gardens? Before COVID?
We go through here? Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, neat. They're all in here.
Bunch in here.
Oh, this is cool. That is a huge butterfly. Look at that thing. What is this, like little pieces of bananas? I mean, there are so many in here. Ooh, just flew by my head. Now that we're in here, they're all waking up. There's tons of them in here.
Look at these guys.
Well, these right here are very prevalent everywhere. Here, guys.
I've been in quite a few butterfly enclosures at different places. I think this is the most amount of butterflies I've ever seen in a small space. This is great. They're just everywhere. You just look how many are over here in this corner alone. This was a mission, getting from where we were in Quito. Took a while.
Smiling face. Awesome. Look at that. And they're so beautiful blue when they open up. Oh yeah, it's on there.
It's hard to see them, but this is like some, there's open areas where they're easy to see them better.
Just hundreds and hundreds of them in here.
There he is, yep. And the butterflies are really coming out. I got one over my shoulder here. I don't know if you can see him or not. There he is. He's been there for a while. See? Yeah. We don't know. Probably could be trans. You never know. There's trans butterflies. It's just,
Bring your wings.
open your wings, little guy.
Maybe I got too close. No. Is that what you do to get them to open their wings? His whistle? Oh, he did. It worked. It worked.
It worked? Do something with it. There we go. There it is.
You're like the butterfly whisperer. Look at that. That almost looks like a mosquito with beautiful wings.
Oh, good one.
The body? Doesn't the body look like a mosquito? I don't even know what kind that one would be. I like the birds of paradise flowers right there too.
These guys?
That's a bird of paradise, yeah, right?
This one? No. Well, it's, yeah, that could be. These up here hanging down, those are hanging lobster claw heliconias. And they also grow vertically, and they're just plain old lobster claw heliconia.
Okay.
Alright, you keep posing. We're gonna get your hand in there.
He was on the ground. I picked him up.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's the one, eh?
Yeah. There's a goose and some ducks. I think that might be a goose. Frolicking around in the water. You heard some frolicking? Having fun over there, huh? All these different plants, there's hundreds of them, are all have names written on the side of them to identify which one each one of these are. Hi, dog. Evidently there's a lot of bears around here and pumas. I think I was asking the guide. Obviously this means stop. This is a really cool town. Mindo. Los Amigos. That was the precursor, the theater release version before Three Caballeros. It was kind of the movie that morphed into Three Caballeros, if you will. It was the one right before it. Not Ecuador, but still the same name. I really want to see a toucan somewhere, not just on a mural. Little hummingbird feeding its young right here. You also got the, looks like maybe it just hatched, just a little baby. At least that's what I'm gathering. That's my interpretation of this piece of artwork right here. I guess you could rent these four-wheelers through here. Look at this dog just chilling. Looking down the little main stretch here. Love this view. The mountain there with the peaks of the haze, the cloud there. Pretty neat little view. Little pups, cute little pups. Everywhere, cute little pups. Just walking the streets. Hey pups, how you doing? There's a little taxi stand next to the church.
Cockroach I've ever seen.
Oh my goodness. I mean, that's like That is huge.
Dogs everywhere.
Hey, buddy.
Looks like Timmy. Uh-oh, get off. These shorts dirty. You look like Timmy.
Arrive now at the Hummingbird place. You're really in the jungle. Look at this over here. Thick jungle brush. And some dirt clay roads. Bird sanctuary. Wow. Up on the observation tower now. Pretty good little walk up here. Oh my gosh, this thing's shaking. Is there a weight limit on this thing? This whole thing is literally shaking. It's like creaking and shaking.
Definitely not US standards.
It's okay.
Got it, Mama?
Hold on. That's it, Judy.
What a view up here.
Beautiful view. My goodness.
This hummingbird, I see.
Yeah, they're up here.
There's hummingbirds all down in those trees.
They're so fast. There's one on that wire over there, son. See two of them
Sure do.
on the wire?
That's a bird on a wire.
Yeah.
Remember that Mel Gibson movie? Goldie Hawn? Mel Gibson? Yeah. So it's a throwback.
Yeah, good for about
Mindo is for relax.
Hey, Mom, the real reason we asked you to come to the Overlook is you got to do this zip line right here. There's a zip line right above your
Right
head.
here, yeah,
Right here, Mama. Get ready. You ready?
Oh.
You ready to do that zip line?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You gonna do it? You game?
What do you think?
I'm going back down. What did I hit? Here chickens or a rooster. Yeah, look at that. The wings move so fast you can't even, on the camera you can see them moving, but they're moving so fast it doesn't even show up with the human eye, but on camera you can see. Looks like they're just barely fluttering. That's so neat.
And when they go by, it's like...
With a,
Who are you?
what is it?
That's
You're not a hummingbird. Get out of here.
Hummingbird. He's cute. There's the
There comes the hummingbird.
right in front of me. Canadian refugee in Ecuador with the hummingbirds in Mindo. How cool is this? Look at them. Look at them.
That is so wild. Out of the Woo's Wild Kingdom. I'm gonna try something else. Let's try this.
Right
That is something else. That is amazing.
I think I got that picture. Did you? Oh, he's a little.
What is happening? What is this? This is like real life right now.
I don't want a motion picture.
You had 10 of them?
Yeah, on this side, yeah, they just showed up a few times.
I don't want a motion picture.
Coming in.
Hi there.
That's
How you
so
doing?
so cool.
How you doing?
It's right here. Come get it. Come get it. Babies. Look at this tiny one. Look at him.
Yes, pero pongámosle el néctar, ¿ya?
Ah, pone.
It's just full of nectar?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Nectar
more
it up.
coffee.
Sí, es agüita con azúcar.
It's natural.
Okay, thank you. I present this gift to you, hummingbirds. Come and get it.
Way to go, way to go. That is called a beehive something or other. Look at this.
That is so cool. Oh, scared it off.
That's when you're all set up.
They're coming in hot.
That tongue coming out.
I feel like this would be a good place to get the hummingbird Ecuador magnet, so I think I'm going to do that. I also got some stickers over here. Yeah, this is technically the Mindo Rainforest. I might get one of these. Still gotta see a toucan. Look at that. That did not take long. Did not take long. Look at this. They're flocking around us. All right, now they left. They want to know what it is, but they're not going in.
I think I'm going to figure it out probably.
No one's been daring enough. Get out. Let me juice it up. Let me juice it up for you. Get a little juice going. I'm tripping the juice now. You like it a juice, huh? I get you more juice.
Juicy, juicy, juicy.
There it goes.
There you go.
Got a nibble. Happy to say the tin roof is letting us know that it is raining in the rainforest, so it really is giving it the proper vibe. I got my magnet here, says Mindo on it, and I got the little rainforest. I also got this little lollipop thing. Interesting that this frozen font almost looks like the movie Frozen Disney font. At least to me, anyway. A little speed hump right down here. You can't really see it. Maybe it doesn't show up on camera. There's a little speed hump with the road kind of emulates up. There's really nothing saying that there is one. And again, you probably can't even tell from the camera view, but there's a speed hump there made and disguised by the road itself. I'm taking a little break for lunch, but I wasn't that hungry, so I'm going to just take this time to walk around on my own for the next hour and then meet back up with the group when they're done eating. A lot of little artwork here painted on the walls as well. Double, or what's that say? Double Double Via. As I was strolling through town, there were 3 officers. They said, "Need to check your ID." So they did. Told them I was with a tour group, and they were eating, and I'm just strolling along with them on. They said, "You're okay, you're good to go." That was it. Feels good to get some steps in walking around. Look at this. This used to be a pizza place, or maybe it still is. What is this? Oh, look at this. Side of this. I don't know if that's still an active pizza place or not. Interesting looking building. No, I don't think this is open. At least not at the moment, anyway. A lot of murals in this town. I think there's a river down here too. I was noticing when the driver drove by it. Let's see if I can go find the river. Beautiful. Little walking path. I realized I got closer. It's all barbed wired up, so can't go past it. There's a little bamboo bridge goes down by the river. Oh, there's the police department there. That's it. Supermarket. The lush landscape of this town. Doggy there waiting by the supermarket or the mini market. Still waiting for a doggy. There's a little chair. It's like a hammock chair. Some t-shirts up here, all properly adorned with the hummingbirds. Musical instruments. Check it out. There's Mickey, Luigi and Superman, and SpongeBob and others. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. I was just at Abbey Road and now I'm here with all the different Ecuadorian animals crossing their own Abbey Road. That's so cool. That's so fun. Yeah, it looks like they're checking everybody's IDs down here next to the Mindo sign. Just check theirs as well. Alright, I think now we're going to go look at some toucans. Cheers to toucans. All right, so just got some info. Just sharing that info with you. Puppy. That evidently toucans are seen at 4 a.m., not 4 p.m. Who knew? This is what we asked around. We went to a place. So where's the best place to see toucans? They go, oh, 4 a.m., not 4 p.m. Not sure if that's true, but I guess you got to go on a mission to find toucans 2 or 3 hours before the sun comes up. Now we're gonna do. I guess I don't think toucans are gonna work out. I think the worst luck with toucans. We're gonna go to this place called Yumbo's Chocolate and do a chocolate tour. Yumbo's Chocolate. Right there. You know what? This almost looks like the same exterior casing of a flux capacitor, right? Man, I'm so disappointed about the freaking toucans. What the heck, man? 4 a.m. This photo is not a 4 a.m. photo. The sun's out. That's a toucan. What do you think, dog? What do you think? What's your opinion on the toucans at 4 a.m.? Is it 4 a.m. or 4 p.m.? What's the best time to see toucans? Are you too busy looking at the ground? No thoughts, huh? What do you think, Pooch?
4 o'clock.
4 p.m.?
Yeah.
Where? That little touristy guide place said the tour starts at 6 a.m. tomorrow to 9 a.m. So we're not going to do it. Not 4 p.m. Okay, so no toucans. Got my hopes up again. Look at these little gnomes right here with a vat full of change.
So my name is Ashley. I will be your guide today.
Darn chocolate toy. We step through the door here. There's like some little dinosaurs down here. Look at this. Look at all these. There's a T-Rex. Pterodactyl.
Okay, so Hummingbird is an artisanal factory that made the yellow pons.
Cacao
That
tree.
means that it's our national cacao. Okay, for us it's pretty important to use this type of cacao because it has better flavor and better smell when we are making chocolate. Okay, so now this cacao has the ability to absorb smells and flavors. So for example, we have coffee beans here. Okay. So this is a coffee tree, and now we are trying to mix the smells and flavors, okay? So that's how it works. So if we're ready, we can go inside.
They use coffee beans with cacao beans to mix the flavors. That's awesome. Cacao?
Yeah.
There's the coffee
Absorb the different, for example, fruits, coffee.
Okay, there's a lot of cacao here, so you can get closer, it's okay. National cacao, the yellow one, aromatic, better taste, better smell, okay, more strong in every sense. This is our hybrid. This is a CCN51 or cacao de ramilla, okay, that's the name. So the CCN51 is what we are going to try to taste. So have you ever seen or tasted the fruit before?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Yes, it's
Sweet,
delicious.
yes.
Yes, never?
No.
Oh, seen inside? Maybe? No? Okay, we're open today. So, CCN51 means Collection Castro Naranjal 51. Okay? Collection, about the experiment that they made. Castro is the last name of the scientists who made this cacao.
And it's sweet, right? The sweet, you
It
can
is
suck
sweet.
the
Yes.
sweet, yes.
Yes, because we're going to try. We are just suck like bean, don't bite. Okay, don't bite the bean. So you can take one.
I just reach in and grab one?
Yeah, you just.
Oh, wow.
Dile la Pepa tiene que sacar.
Yeah, yeah, sí, sí.
Ok, por si acaso.
See, just suck the bean like honey.
It's pretty good, huh?
No, only
Just suck it. Just suck it, honey.
Just suck on it.
yeah.
That is pretty good.
Fruity.
So, yes, it is.
Finger looking good.
Okay, so it's pretty important for us. We're going to put our beans here for 2 days between these banana leaves, covered, just like this.
Wow.
Okay? So, the banana leaves has yeasts on their bodies. So we have a type of natural chemical process. So the yeast produce alcohol and the alcohol makes that the temperature increase. And when the temperature increase, the embryo, which is this part of the bean, this that you can see here, and this one that you can see here. Okay, this part of the embryo dies. Okay, so we need the embryo dies in this process. Okay, that's the purpose of fermentation. Okay, so 2 days here, 1 day here. Okay, now we have the temperature regulate, and we have a little bit of pulp, not like here, but we still having a little bit. So the fruit flies are going to eat all this pulp for 20 minutes and 120 degrees. Okay. Okay. So what's the purpose of this? First, we're going to reduce humidity. Here in the dry process, we have a 7%. So we put the beans with the shells here.
Okay.
Because if we take out the shell one by one like you do, we're going to take a lot of time, yeah? So we just grind it like this. There you go. Now, I don't know if you smell it, but if you want to get closer to smell, okay. Shells stays here, and sometimes the bigger nibs. So what we have to do is regrinder. Okay? Okay, so the nibs, which are more heavy, stay on the floor, and the little shells just fly away. Okay? So that's the ideal to separate. Okay? What we do with the little shells is we can use it for the trees, like fertilization. Okay? So it's not too much product.
Yes, it's nice.
Grinder the leaves. You remember the leaves? So please grinder the leaves to make chocolate. So the first thing that we are going to have is a paste of chocolate that we can see in the video. Okay? Shine, a good color, a good smooth, a good snap too. Okay, so now he's adding flavor. And the fruit and the cacao tea, we're going to use it to clean our salad. Okay? So, okay. So you can taste.
Oh, taste it.
Yes.
Ooh.
Ooh, strong.
Oh, that's good.
What is in that?
Go for
Do
it,
you
Mom.
remember the fruit?
Got it into your
Yeah,
spoon.
so
Chocolate barbecue sauce.
so
My forehead is
you can
Oh, that's very
taste.
good.
Okay. It's going to be more acid than bitter. Okay, so that's how we difference the
You
both
try.
chocolate.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
It doesn't really have that much of a taste. It's very powdery.
Yeah.
Disappears.
60% with coffee. Lower the percentage, the sweeter it is.
Did you like it? You like coffee?
Yeah, I'm not big on coffee.
Yes.
But it's
Pretty
I
good.
like that. Wow. That's nice.
I like that too.
Yeah. Maybe the favorite one. This before I worked here. So the next one, 70 chili with sea salt.
Oh, I love chili.
Chili with sea salt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
70% chili with sea salt.
thank you.
You don't like it?
Spicy.
Yes, spicy.
Uh-huh.
It's coming.
I like the red
Coming.
chili.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's got some kick.
Lovely.
I get some more tea.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A pretty good tour. A lot of little samples, little small samples of each of the different percentages. So evidently 100% is a little more bitter, and sweeter it goes down. So 70% is a little sweet, 60% is even sweeter than 70%. And then there's probably about 10 different samples, but they were just little tiny tidbits. But I don't really eat a lot of chocolate, so definitely feeling the chocolate flowing through me at the moment. It's also kind of interesting. Our group did 4, not our whole group did the entire tour, but 4 of us did. But then there was 2 other people on the tour, and I was the only one that decided not to have my face covered in chocolate. What's the reasoning behind it? It's supposed to be kind of like a facial, it's supposed to be cleansing for the pores on the face. To take the hot chocolate, or the hot chocolate, I should say, and lather it on, not hot chocolate, but chocolate that is hot. They take like a paintbrush, and she was like lathering it on everyone's face. And I opted out of that experience, but yeah. Well, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. The vlog is over.